is all you'll need to make your own Ferrero Rocher type chocolates. Bit of vanilla essence, some chocolate. I use dark chocolate, but you can use milk chocolate. Some Nutella or shop's own brand of hazelnut spread. Hazelnuts, of course. Bit of honey and a dash of milk. First thing we're going to deal with is the hazelnuts. Now take a few out and keep a few whole. They're going in the middle of the chocolates when you've done them. With the rest, I'm going to put them in a mini blender. If you haven't got a mini blender, it's time to put them in a bag and get your rolling pin to bash them. We're not going to pulverise them to dust, we're just going to pulse them so that it breaks them up. With your nuts all smashed, it's time to get your hazelnut chocolate spread into a bowl, and then half the nuts into there, a glug of milk, some vanilla essence, and lastly some honey. Time to get them all mixed together, and then what you're going to do, you're going to put this in the freezer so that the mixture really firms up, and then you'll be able to roll it easier. So all mixed in, time for half an hour in the freezer. Onto the heat, put a pan of simmering water. You don't want it boiling and bubbling away, you just want it simmering. Then break up your chocolate, put that in a bowl and onto there to start to melt. Once your chocolate's melted, it's time to go in with the rest of your hazelnuts. Turn the heat off and get those mixed in. Now let it cool down for 5 minutes, but you still want it sort of liquefied. But you want it just a bit cooler. While your chocolate's cooling, get your hazelnut concoction out of the freezer. Wet your hands a little bit. Then get what you think will make a nice little chocolate. Get one of your hazelnuts into there. Made into a nice little ball, and do that with the rest of your concoction. When you've rolled them into little balls, time to get them in the chocolate. Cover them with your hazelnut chocolate. Let any excess drip off, and then put them onto a plate, and then back into the fridge where they're going to firm up. And you're going to leave them there until you want them. Take them out 5 or 10 minutes before you want to eat them, and enjoy the delicious hazelnut chocolatey goodness.